Hello friends, in this video we will try to discuss one of the Pyspark interview question. So the ask from the interviewer is, how did you calculate number of days, number of months and number of years between two different dates? So this is the ask. So we'll try to see, we do have a date and time functions. Within it we do have date difference function as well as month between function. So by using these two we can able to achieve the expected outcome. So for that we'll try to take some sample data and we'll try to see into practical. So let's say sample data. So let's try to take id is 1 and we'll try to take the date, let's say 2020 07, let's say 03. Okay, we'll try to take the second record, let's say id is 2 and the date is 2021 6, let's say 14, or let's say 12. Now let's try to take the third record, third id, and the date is 2022 9 and 5. Okay, now we have taken sample data. Now we will try to create df out of this. Okay, spark, how we will create spark dot create data frame. Now we will try to mention the data, we have taken the data, and schema we will specify it here. Let's say first one is id, second one is date. Okay, now we'll try to look up the sample data, df dot print schema. We'll try to run and see. Okay, we are successfully, we can able to create data frame out of the sample data. Okay, now we'll try to import the Pyspark function. Okay, from Pyspark dot SQL dot functions, and we'll try to import all the functions. Now we will try to check the difference. Let's say we will try to have a look, see the difference between today's date and the date which is given. Okay, now I will try to take some new column using with column. Let's say first we will try to take the dates difference. Okay, now the function which we had it in order to calculate the dates difference, we do have date diff. Okay, now we will try to see based on the current date comma the date which we had it, so date column. Okay, now we'll try to take another new column. In this new column we will try to take months difference. So what inbuilt function we do have? Months underscore between. Okay, so this is the built-in which we had it in order to calculate the months, number of months between two different dates. So for this we will take the current month, current date, as well as call of existing date. Okay, so let's take off here. So this should be closed here. So date. Now we have seen, we have created for the date difference, we have created for the months difference. Now we will try to take another new column for the years difference. Okay, now what function we do have it? We do have the same function, months underscore between. So using same function, so we are going to check from the current date comma call of present date which we had it. So here we are doing based on the literal of 12 months. So we are checking actually years difference, right? So it should be divided by the number of months. Year have 12 months, right? So hence we are doing it of literal of 12. Okay, now dot show. Okay, now we will try to show the sample data. So we'll try to run and check the output of this df. See, we do get data difference, we do get months difference, we do get the years difference. So this is the sample data which we have taken, and we have created the new column with the dates difference, and using this built-in function we are going to calculate from the current date to the date which we have taken. So the difference, date difference. Okay, 3116 days, and months difference. So we are taking another new column called months diff, and we are checking based on the months between function using today's date and the dates, a date which we had it. Okay, so here we can able to see the months difference. So 36 months, 25 months and 10 months, the difference from for the current date. So years difference, third column which we are taking years difference, and the same function which we are utilizing, and we are doing that divided by 12 months. Okay, so which we are trying to see the years difference, right? So we are doing divided by literal of 12, and we are trying to see. So 2023, right? 2023 to 2020, it's a 3 years, right? Now here 2021 2 years, and 2022 September, right? So it will be 0 years 8 months. So that's all. By using the built-in functions date diff months between, so we can able to achieve the expected result, expected ask. Okay, so that's all for today's, guys. If you really like this video, please do subscribe it, like it and share it, and do the comment.